Respected students, welcome back everyone. Today's video is about the UI related changes, the basic 3 to 4 changes I am going to tell, which are very important when it comes to development of a Power BI report. So the first thing is related to card, the second thing is related to our background of logo and slicers, and third is related to the page width and width. Okay, so now let's start with the video. But if you are new on our channel, make sure you are subscribing and pressing bell icon for all of the videos and follow us on social media, especially Instagram. So first of all, if there is a strip of card, just click on this card. And first thing what you have to do is check the in properties and height and width of every card. So here the 88 123 is our formula. Check for second. See, second one is not width is different, so now check for third is same, fourth is again 123, go for 123, the this again go for the fifth one 123, and sixth one is 130, so go for 123 again. The first thing when all the strip of the card is there, first thing you have to check is the height and width of the card. Okay, so now let's say if client said or anyone said that they want this card to be placed little bit above, so you will click like this, and with the help of mouse or with arrow button you will not move the card single handedly. Okay, not singly. So in that case what you have to do is like just select control, click on control, click on this first card, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay, right click, group the cards. Now with the help of grouping the cards, see here also you can see one black line is there. So now just click on this three dots, drag this to bottom or above, wherever you have to take, right hand side, anywhere you can take. Okay, so rather than just clicking on single card, just click on with the help of control, group it, and with the help of that you can do it. So again, if you want to ungroup it, you can ungroup with right clicking and just click on ungroup. Okay, now let's say if this card has gone little down, if this card has went little up in the help of dimension, so how to means bring that in one single line. So just click again on this all cards, select all, go to this format, align. Okay, distribute horizontally properly, and then align to the top. Okay, so again all the cards will come in the same line. So these three things I want to tell you about the cards. So now the second theme in the real-time project. So let's say now in this wallpaper we had some different color. Okay, let's say we have some this gray type. Okay, in real-time project gray mostly we use. So now if you will see here visualization, all things will come. But if you will see this first strip, so it is not looking that good because all these slicers are in the white color. This logo is in white color and gray is not looking good. In real-time project, it doesn't look good when the whole page is developed. So in that case, go to insert, go to shape, take rectangular. Okay, place on this like this, completely drag. Okay, and now what you can do is go to shape, style. So in this case select white, which is same, again go to format, send backward and send to back. Okay, so now see here you can see properly whole white color. Here this logo is also looking, and this it is matching with the color of slicers, but here you can see little bit blue color is there. So in that case just go in style, and you can see border is there, border you can do white. Okay, so this thing, so now it is properly matching. In real time project we do it. Okay, here also what you can do, in effect just go and on the visual border. Okay, so now logo is also looking properly, this everything is looking properly. This is the second thing. Third thing which I want to tell you related to the real time project is that here see you can see little bit space is there, here you can see little bit space is there. So this page is not properly fit, so go in view tab, page view. Right now fit to page is there, just click on fit to width. So now see properly whole page is now fit on the report. So when you will publish this report and when the client will use, he will be able to see the report properly in this whole page. He doesn't have to click on that control 0 and anything. And let's say if you select on actual size, so see actual size is also breaking down. it is not working properly. So fit to it is the perfect option, so that even if the client uses Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, Mozilla, Opera, anything, in that whole screen properly this report will be visible like this. Let me show you demo properly. Okay, in short, see, like this properly it will be shown. So three things we have discussed related to the placements of cards and size and everything. Second thing is this background check, and third is the fit to it. This was one of the smallest video of the channel, but it was related to UI, so it is important in real-time projects also. So thanks for watching till end, everyone. And if you like the video, make sure you are liking, commenting, and share with your friends also. Thank you everyone for watching till end.